Hello, my name is Perla Galvan, and together with my teammates Andrea Taborda and Ángela Salazar, today I present the outcome of our project for the International Challenge Cross Border. In this challenge, we work in teams with students from various universities to develop a logistic expansion proposal for Colcafé, one of the most recognized brands of the Grupo Nutresa. The main objective was to analyze and optimize the export logistics process of Colcafé's products from Colombia to Costa Rica, identifying more efficient routes, reducing logistical risk, and providing viable recommendations to boost the trend internationalization in this Central America market. This is our presentation structure. It's Colcafé overview, specific goal, theoretical framework, Costa Rica market insights, evaluated logistics routes, cost and efficiency analysis, logistic risk management, conclusions, final recommendation. Colcafé overview. Colcafé is a Colombian company specialized in the production and commercialization of roast and instant coffee. It is present in over 50 countries, export to key markets in the Americas, Europe, and Asia, and holds international certifications that guarantee the quality of sustainability of its products. A specific goal is to analyze and optimize current logistic process, evaluate more efficient routes, reduce cost and risk, strengthen brand presence in Costa Rica. Theoretical framework. To support our proposal, we developed a solid theoretical framework based on the concepts of international logistics and foreign trade. First of all, international logistics. We studied the structure of cross-border supply chains, analyzing from production of final delivery. Multimodal international transport. We evaluate the combination of transport modes such as maritime and land, considering variables such as time, cost, and reliability. Global supply chain. We consider the integration of actors such as suppliers, logistics operators, customs, and distributors. International logistic cost. TCA, total cost analysis. We analyze not only freight but also insurance, port fees, storage, customs procedures, and inland transportation within Costa Rica. 5. Logistic risk. We identify the potential disruptions, delays, cost overruns, trade restriction, or technical barriers. PESTEL analysis applied to Costa Rica. We study the political, economical, social, technological, ecological, and legal factors that affect logistics and trade. Porter's five-force model. We assist Costa Rica competitive environment to identify threats and opportunities. SWOT analysis. We design strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats for both Colcafé and the logistics environment. Theory of comparative advantage. We suggest how Colcafé can position itself in Costa Rica by leveraging its expertise and quality in coffee production. So we have an environmental analysis in Costa Rica. Costa Rica is a country with strong political stability, highly developed logistics compared to other countries in the region, and outstanding for infrastructure, particularly in Puerto Limón, which has direct connectivity with Colombia ports. Additionally, Costa Rica consumers place high value of sustainable organic and fair trade products. This represents an opportunity for Colcafé to position products such as organic coffee, gourmet coffee, or premium lines. Costa Rica also has free trade agreements that reduce tariffs and barriers for Colombian products, which benefit exports. So in here we have cost and efficiency analysis, which is a route from Cartagena to Puerto Limón, Buenaventura Moin, Urabá Moin. We put in this graphic the cost of each shipment and the remarks that we have to know for make this work. So here we have an evaluated logistic routes, which is Cartagena, Puerto Limon, with her advantage and disadvantage. The advantage is high international maritime connectivity, regular vessel frequency, frequent port congestion, higher operating cost. Route Buenaventura Moin, available alternative for cargo from the Colombian Pacific, developed for infrastructure. This is the advantage, and disadvantage: longer transit times, climate risk in the Pacific. And for Urabá Moin, the advantage: proximity to the production plant in Medellin, lower land transport cost, reduced transit time, less port congestion. Disadvantage: new port in the initial phase of operations, less experience handling large export volume. Cost and efficiency analysis (TCA). We used the total cost analysis model considering all logistical elements. The direct route remains more cost effective, but we propose a flexibility strategy to combine both options depending on logistics availability, dynamic cost, and potential risk. Logistic risk management. In this section, we identify the main risks that could affect the process. Port risk: congestion or delays in Cartagena or Puerto Limon. Variable cost: increases in transport or storage fields. Regulatory risks: changes in trade policy or tariffs. Deficient reverse logistics: returns or non-conformities with clients. Proposed migration strategies: flexibility contracts with logistics operators, real-time traceability using RFID and GPS technologies, constant supplier evaluation, contingents, and plans with alternate routes. And our conclusion is, our analysis shows that Colcafé has a strong opportunity to strengthen its operation in Costa Rica, not only because it already has a presence there, but it also because the logistical, economic, and consumer environment is favorable. The best logistic option remains the direct maritime route from Cartagena, but it's essential to integrate a flexible, resilient, multimodal strategy to face current international challenge. Moreover, there is a positional potential in Costa Rica for premium and sustainable products aligned with the local consumer values. Our final recommendations: maintain the direct maritime routes as the primary option, but establish agreements for a land alternative from Panama in contingent cases. Develop partnerships with a local logistics operations in Costa Rica to facilitate national distribution and reverse logistics service. Invest in traceability technology to improve logistic process viability. Explore the future possibility of opening a distribution center in Costa Rica to serve not only that country but it also others in Central America. leverage Costa Rica's sustainability and health focus by promoting lines such as organic coffee or certified Colombian origin coffee. So, thank you for your attention. This project was a valuable experience in which we applied theory, strategic analysis, and international collaborative work to solve a real foreign trade challenge. I am confident that this proposal can contribute to the continuous improvement of cold cafes operations in Costa Rica and lay the foundation for its expansion in the Central America region.